You want to wash my car, bro?
Sure.
Yeah, I never should've opened up. Should've never told you down, staying low. Now I feel like I'm just fucking up. Now I feel like I'm just substance abuse. I'm high off your love, baby. Let's flip the script on you. Would you take me back? I gave you my all, you watch it fall. You when it's at my back. I was trying to ball with you and all, but for that hoe I'm getting rich. You keep your body right. I'm like my Leo ice. Pop my Leo at night. So geek, yeah, that's right. In the fit part with my soldiers. In the club battling my vices. In the bed battling the oxys. That's my bad, baby. If I'm acting bad with you, I don't really do this absolute turn. So shit like, what the fuck, boy? You can cheat a hoe like me, proper. I said line girl, I guess you're on. Cause my brother's young, sipping perk. Sipping red when I'm missing Yana. Sick of trip, I go back to the hood. I ain't even see my sisters in a minute. I'm like, damn, how they doing good.
Anyways, Chad, yeah, we are starting a mobile mechanic service, and we're starting a car wash service, or at least Jahmal is, so I'm going to go ahead and help him set up everything. Let him set up the logo, business cards and stuff, so we get that going. I pretty much just did this video just so he can show you how he can wash cars and stuff. He does a pretty good job.
No.
Tell him how much you charge for a car wash and for cars and for trucks.
Alright, for cars I charge $20. That's just the outside. $25 for inside and out. Okay, truck I charge $45. $55 inside and out.
You got anything done to your Miata?
It runs.
It runs?
It runs.
What year is it?
1990.
1990. What do you think about Jahmal starting his car wash or mobile mechanic service?
Car wash. He can only wash cars. He can't work on cars for shit.
Oh. What do you think about Brandon saying you can't work on cars for shit?
I bet your motherfucking life. He's sorry to that. Bro, he the only Mexican that I know that don't know how to work for real. He's sorry shit, bro. He don't know shit.
Okay, so what services are you providing for the mobile mechanic service?
Alright, we're doing spark plugs, our brake service, oil changes, you know, anything else to that you need. Yeah. Alright, hold it down.
What's up?
If you turn on channel 5. Pretty girl told me, put the crown up, stay down and count up, it's gonna be alright. No money, I can't wait to blow, stand up on you. So sorry. Yeah, I ain't got none for these hoes, so I'm only close, but you got my heart, so that's you know already. Some shit I wanna tell you, feel some sickness in myself, so I'm hard. Fucking miss. Yeah. I'm sticking my fingers up. That's it. I'm paying these bitches for you. Just live it. When I say you're the only one, oh, Jimmy. Oh, I thought you forgot about me. How you pop up at perfect timing? Oh, you spend my for singing songs. I thought you was zip every one. Now it's fucking the money calling. I say I'm for crazy. Keep it different. I got shit fun. You also do what's no fun. Fight back on guard up. All my tears should have shot up. And I don't wanna kill a dollar. I thought it didn't cost a thing, but it came out as if it was dollars. All for this sad shit. Now I'm sure about the money problem.
So 1 to 10, how hard was the downpipe?
It's like probably like a 3 or 4 maybe. 1 to 10.
Trying to do a pull?
Tony wasn't ready for that.
My car can never.
Dude, he's crazy with this thing. Like his downshift. My downshift was rough.
This car and I learned to drive together.
Dude, he wants it.
He's gonna get it too. Not really. Unless he tries to take some.
What is your opinion on a Supra?
I would like to have a Supra. They're good cars. That thing was fast as freaking freak, dude. And I don't know if it's tuned or anything. I think kind of maybe, but holy smokes, he's got 305s in the rear, 305 30 19 Nitto NT 555 G2s, like sticky ass tires, and it spun those things from second like nothing.
Wow.
Thing's pretty fast.
How much do you think it's making?
Stock they only make quote unquote like 382, I think, to the crank, but I don't know. It sure felt like it was making that to the wheel.
I would assume he has a down tune if you just put the downpipe on
Yeah, but usually you do the downpipe then the tune.
it. Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's probably tuned because he's got those crazy TEs and stuff. But
Do you do the tune the same way as a BMW? You do the email shit?
yeah, it's awesome.
Let this Honda have it.
Oh,
Some slight.
I think
Get some slight, brother.
Calm little M235 and 55.
I think this is the fastest car I've ever been in. Cause I only been in a couple cars, and the first fast car I've been in was like a Mustang. I think it was a Shelby at the time, a 350. But like
GT350.
the guy wasn't really stepping on it. though.
5.2. Yeah. This car's not that fast. This car makes like maybe 400 LP. Mother freaker! Mother freaker! No driver mod, 0!
I think you guys are converting me.
Into a BMW guy?
Yeah.
It's contagious.
Yeah, once you ride in one, it's pretty crazy.
And you said your roommate Brian's pulled way harder?
Oh, his was a hybrid turbo V58 all-wheel drive automatic. His shit pulled like a freight train.
Yeah, it was like...
It was like this car times
Yeah,
2.
it was
Like
fun.
actually times 2. Maybe more. But this one got 3 pedals.
Why does it crunch in third? Show them the third.
Because The transmission's mac and cheese, bro.
Oh, Tony was laughing every time I shifted.
It's fine for Tony. Just
I would shift it,
show everyone. Ready? Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, we're good. Fixed. You guys ready for one of these? You gotta drive this car like it's the fastest car on earth in the rain. You need to like be so careful because the tires are always bald. There's no tire touching the ground, and it makes a lot of torque.
I'm gonna show them the camber when they get up.
Yeah, it's straight fucking TikTok retard spec.
Do you think it'd flow a lot harder if there was no camber?
Oh yeah.
This is the camber.
Camber. Look guys, I have one brain cell. Don't come at me for car decisions. Don't come at me. Look at my driveway. Look. Here we got jalopy number 1. You see the lights? They don't work. You see the steering wheel? It's really chewed up. All right, go look at it. It's unlocked because it doesn't lock. Okay, look at this steering wheel. Here, let me get some light going for you. It looks like Rabid Tony ate the top of the steering wheel. What's your problem, man? And it's got the M3 interior, but this side only has one bolt in holding it, and like 3 threads on that bolt.
No.
Freaking fire.
You gotta do the seat prank.
Well, where you leave the seat unbolted and you just the gas.
Oh yeah. You do that good in the 2 Series.
Yeah, dude, that'd be really good in the 2 Series. Definitely get an airbag light.
How'd you get that?
I put it in the trunk of the 5 Series.
Where'd you get it at?
Facebook Marketplace, where the same guy who sold me the 540.
And how did you bring that over here?
In the trunk with ratchet straps.
I'm gonna put a picture of that.
Do not come at me for cars. Do not come at me. Welcome to my humble abode where I can't afford to live because I live here by myself. Do not come at me for financial advice. No financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I texted Garrett. You know Garrett? Oh yeah, you do. Because the guy with the blue E82 135 on it.
Yeah.
I texted him because he messaged me like low-key months ago now. He asked if I could install his carbon fiber fenders for him. I said he. So hopefully he responds because now I'm in the mood to work on stuff, aka slave Cade. So. Yeah, buddy.
Let's get a cold start before I go home.
I don't know if it'll be cold.
What is that?
Flywheel. It's electric.
Alright.
See you, man.
We'll do more videos later.